Welcome to the live bench evaluation of WS067 Gear Shifter Lab. The WS067 integrates a low-power automotive-grade RL78/F13 MCU with built-in CAN and I2C interfaces. The RAA2P4500 inductive position sensor enables high-accuracy, contactless gear position measurement, ensuring long-life operation without mechanical wear. Lab setup consists of WS067 Gear Shifter board. It includes the control mechanism for gear changes like park, drive, neutral, and reverse. To view the real-time gear position, it includes display, which is connected via I2C to the board. Lab consists of thermal camera, which monitors the thermal changes of the board, and live bench camera to cover the lab's live operation. Click Plug In to connect to real hardware. Wait until the initialization completes. Start the evaluation once progress log shows system is ready for evaluation. Open the progress log to review session events and hardware feedback. Observe the live video tile for real-time changes during evaluation. Access the Controls section to start the evaluation. Expand the live video for a detailed real-time look at gear shifting action. Slide to select your desired gear and monitor instant changes in the live feed. Toggle temperature controls to test device under elevated temperature. Observe the changes in temperature in thermal plot tile. Observe the warning notification indicating thermal cutoff for board safety. Now, toggle Stray Magnetic Field Control switch to induce the magnetic fields and test the magnetic field immunity. Observe the changes in magnetic field in Gauss meter and simultaneously use the gear controls to confirm that board is immune to magnetic fields. Expand the current measurement graph for detailed data analysis. Current measurement graph helps monitor current consumption throughout the evaluation. Use the ambient temperature plot to track the lab's temperature consistently throughout the evaluation. Ask the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant for instant answers about the gear shifter's design and datasheet. Here's an example. Need more details? Hamburger menu gives you access to the user manual and additional resources. Curious about other live bench designs? Click the home icon to explore more. Happy evaluation!